Hey guys, Adam here on a free-for-all Friday. Enjoying a little bit of bottled water, and got a little bit of a different video for you guys tonight. I'm kind of a cell phone nerd. I just recently got the Samsung. Oh, look at that! You guys can see my camera. Wow, amazing. Okay, there's my setup. But got the Samsung Galaxy S5, and you know, I always get a case for my phone and a screen protector. And the case that I got was just kind of a little whoopie-doo case here. Just kind of one of these crappy little plasticky, rubbery type jobbers. You know, and it's okay. You know, I got it for like less than $10. You know, but what I really wanted was a product. Well, I'll just go ahead and tell you what it is. It's the Magpul case, which I have sort of been lusting after since I saw them come out for like the iPhone and all that. I'm a huge Magpul fanboy, I admit it. I love Magpul's products, and when I found out they were coming out with an S5 case, I had to have it. And I'm going to tell you, this is just the truth. The #1 reason I bought this case, made in the USA. It even goes so far as to say on the back that it is designed and manufactured in the USA. So I'm going to go ahead and give it an open here, show you guys it. Another thing I like, you know, this is just one more thing I like about Magpul, is it comes in this really cheapy, minimalist, you know, packaging. You know, it's just a really basic recycled product type box, and it's got a little bitty dealy bob here that the case, you know, actually is secured in. It's not like a big box, you know, with a bunch of, you know what I'm saying. It's minimalist packaging, and I like that. So this is kind of a rubbery type case. It's kind of the same deal as before, although it does feel like it's got a little bit more quality, a little bit more serious, sturdy plastic, thicker, a little bit thicker. It's got all the ports cut out, so I'll go ahead and throw it on, you know, throw it on the phone. I've also got a tempered glass screen protector on here, and I'm hoping that this case doesn't cause any interference. I don't expect it to. It doesn't look like it's going to. So yeah, there it is, flat dark earth. It's got the cutouts, you know, just like we like them. All the ports and whatnot. Hell, I don't even know what that right there is. Huh. That must be an IR deal. I never noticed that. Okay, so there it is, the Magpul. Well, I love the way that feels. Good and sturdy. It's got kind of a texture to it also. But yeah, I got the flat dark earth, which is kind of brownish. Yeah, it's kind of an olive brown, and it's got with the black foam. So yeah, I'm excited. I've been waiting on this. So cool beans, man. I'm pumped. So there's nearly 4 minutes you'll not get back. I'm going to enjoy some water, and then I'm going to enjoy some barley potions. Hope you guys have a good evening, and we'll holler at you.